Brave little rabbit. Once upon a time, in a green and peaceful forest, lived a little rabbit named Rafi. Rafi was cheerful and loved to play with butterflies and birds all day. One bright, a beautiful morning, when he was jumping and playing near his burrow, suddenly a strange and loud sound came from inside the forest. All the animals got scared and started hiding, but Rafi was a brave little rabbit. He didn't run away, but he decided that he would find out where the sound came from. Slowly and quietly, he began to pass through the bushes. After a short while, he saw that a little deer was trapped in the bushes and crying. The sound was actually that. It was coming from the bushes. Rafi immediately went to it, gently moved aside the bushes, and took out the little deer. The little deer became quiet and gave Rafi a big smile. "Thank you, Rafi. You are my hero," the little deer said happily. Ha! After that day, Rafi and the little deer became best friends. All the animals in the forest began to praise Rafi's bravery and call him Little Hero. And Rafi? He jumped and leaped with joy, proud of his big heart, while making a hissing sound